The next problem is find the Z transform of the sequence x of n where x of n is n into 2 power n. కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడం కోసమే ద సీక్వెన్స్ అనే వర్డ్ యూస్ చేశారు. ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ xn యూ పుట్ n 2 power n అంటే x of n Z ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ అడుగుతున్నారు. x of n ప్లేస్లో n 2 power n పెడితే నౌ అవర్ ఎయిమ్ ఈస్ టు ఫైండ్ ద Z ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ n 2 power n. Now we know that the definition z of f of n is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity f of n z power minus n. Here what is the given function? f of n కాకుండా x of n అన్నారు అంతే తేడా. What is this one? n into 2 power n. Our aim is to find the z transform of n into 2 power n. Okay, now z transform of n into 2 power n is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity n into 2 power n z power minus n. That is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity n into 2 by z whole power n. It can be written as put n is equal to 0 first term, 0 into something is 0. Okay, leave it 0 కాబట్టి వదిలేసేయండి. Next n is equal to 1. 1 means 1 into 2 by z whole power 1. 2 by z whole power 1. Next plus n is equal to 2. 2 into 2 by z whole square. Next n is equal to 3 plus 3 into 2 by z whole cube and so on. Now let the 2 by z common. 2 by z is in every term. So let the common 2 by z as common. Then we get 2 by z into 1 plus 2 into 2 by z. Already ఒక 2 by z బయట వెళ్ళిపోయింది కాబట్టి plus 3 into 2 by z whole square. This is in the form of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square and so on. But what is 2x plus 3x square and so on is equal to 1 minus x power minus 2. Okay, now it can be written as 2 by z, 1 minus, in place of x we have 2 by z kabatti 1 minus 2 by z power minus 2 can be written as 2 by z power minus 2 means 1 by whole square vastundi. Now it is 2 by z 1 by 1 minus 2 by z whole square is equal to 2 by z 1 by this LCM, z is LCM, z minus 2 is there by 2 whole square is there. Now it can be written as 2 by into చేసినప్పుడు ఇది బై ఉందమ్మా, ఇంటూ చేసినప్పుడు 2 by z minus 2 whole square వస్తుంది. అంటే ఈ whole square for z minus 2 and also for z అన్నమాట. కాబట్టి z square by z minus 2 whole square. Now you cancel these terms z and here ఒక z cancel పోతే we get 2z by z minus 2 whole square. Okay, same procedure ma. Use the definition or use the fundamental formula. That's it. Okay, there is another alternate method for the same problem. Z of 2 power n is z by z minus 2 which is f of z. Z of n into 2 power n is minus z d by dz of f of z. This is derivatives of multiplication, z transforms of multiplication with n అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ డెరివేటివ్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా, కొంచెం కష్టం అవుతుంది ఈ మెథడ్. సో యూ ఫాలో ది ప్రీవియస్ మెథడ్, ఆల్టర్నేట్ మెథడ్ అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, దెన్ సీ ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఫైండ్ ద z ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ 2 power 2k plus 3. Let f of k is equal to, I have already told you the function may be in k or n. k లో ఉంటే ఉన్న అదే ఫార్ములాస్, n లో ఉన్న అదే ఫార్ములాస్. సో k లో ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి you let that is f of k. Now this f of k is 2 power 2k plus 3 can be written as 2 power 2k into 2 cube. What is 2 cube ma? 8 into 2 power 2k. Now the z transform of 2 power 2k, the z transform of this f of k means z transform of we need the z transform of 2 power 2k plus 3 means z of f of k, that is equal to z of, what is f of k? This one is written as 8 into 2 power 2k. Bring 8 is constant, bring outside. Now it is 8 into z power 2k. By definition it can be written as 8 constant, z of k లాగుంది ఇది కాబట్టి సిగ్మా k is equal to 0 to infinity 2 power 2k into z power minus k. ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఉందో z లో ఆ ఫంక్షన్ రాస్తాము. సిగ్మా తర్వాత జెడ్ పవర్ మైనస్ కే కామన్, కేలో ఉంది కాబట్టి జెడ్ పవర్ మైనస్ కే, అదే ఎన్లో ఉంటే జెడ్ పవర్ మైనస్ ఎన్ రాస్తాము. నా దిస్ ఈస్, ఐ రిపీట్ దిస్, 8 sigma 2k 2 power 2k z power minus k. Now you put k is equal to 0. What we get? We get the first term when you put z is equal to 0. Here it is k is equal to 0 means 2 power 0 is 1. Z power 0 is also 1. Okay, z power 0 is also 1. Then put k is equal to 1. 2 power 2 into 1, that means 2 power 2 into z power minus 1 plus k is equal to 2. 2 power 2 into 2 means 2 power 4 z power minus 2. Like that, at k is equal to 3 we get 2 power 6 into z power minus 3 and so on. Now 8 into 1 plus 2 square z inverse, this can be written as 2 into 2 power 2 into z inverse whole square. Now you elaborate ma. This can be written as a into b whole square means a square, అంటే దీనికి స్క్వేర్ రాయాలి 2 power 4, and the second term square means z power minus 1 into 2 means z power minus 2, we get same term, plus 2 square into z power minus 1 అంటే z inverse whole cube and so on. Now this is in the form of 1 minus x. Okay, now you see 1 plus x square and so on is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus 1. Now this is in the form of 1 plus x and 2 square z inverse whole power 1. Next x square 2 square z minus 1 power. So in each bracket you have 2 square z power minus 1. That means 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. But in place of x we have 2 square into z power minus 1. Now this summation is equal to 1 minus x inverse. Now it can be written as 1 minus 2 square z inverse inverse. It can be written as 8 into whole inverse means the bracket inverse in the mark. So 1 by 1 minus 2 square z inverse, that is equal to 8 into 1 by 2 square means 4 into 1 by z, and 4 by z. 1 minus 4 by z in denominator. Now you get that is equal to 8 into this one, z is LCM, z minus 4 by z into చేసరికి పైన z వెళ్తుంది, z by వస్తుంది. Now it is this one, z minus 4 by z, you make into 8 into z by z minus 4, which is the required value. Okay, now is the next problem. Find z transform of 1 by n into n plus 1. By linear property, z into 1 by n into n plus 1 is equal to z of, make it into first partial fractions ma. Z of 1 means in place of 1 you put add n and subtract n. What you get? This one is equal to z into, okay, now z of 1 by n into n plus 1. In numerator we have 1, you add n and subtract n, you get n plus 1 minus n by n into n plus 1. Okay ma, you let n plus 1 is single term, n plus 1 is one term, minus n is second term. Now n plus 1 by n into n plus 1 means n plus 1 cancel both 1 by n వస్తుందమ్మా, minus n by n into n plus 1, n cancel పోయేసి 1 by n plus 1. This method is called trial and error method. Now this one becomes into partial fractions. Okay, partial fractions, trial and error method. Now z transform of first term, z of 1 by n minus z transform of second term 1 by n plus 1. We know what is z of 1 by n is log z by z minus 1, minus z transform of 1 by n plus 1 is z into log z by z minus 1. Okay, which gives in both terms we have log z by z minus 1 is there. Now log z by z minus 1 common తీస్తే here we have 1 minus z is there. Now the z transform of 1 by n into n plus 1 is equal to 1 minus z into log z by z minus 1. Okay, log z by z minus 1. Okay ma, you learn it as a formula, you note it into formulas list. Z of 1 by n into n plus 1 is equal to 1 minus z into log z by z minus 1.